teaches people to accept reality with awe and admiration, not to mention the amazement and joy that come with it. In this video, I will talk about the ultrasonic waves, its properties, and the methods of preparation and the wide application it has in various fields. Firstly, let me talk about what is an ultrasonic wave. Generally, our human ear can sense the sound having frequency 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. That is the audible range of a normal human ear. And we call those sound waves as sonic waves. The sound waves having frequency lesser than 20 Hz are called as infrasonics. And the sound waves having higher frequency greater than 20,000 Hz are called as ultrasonics or ultrasonic waves. These sound waves are unable to hear, are unable to felt by an ordinary human being. And the sound waves which have the frequency greater than 10 power 9 Hz are called as hypersonic waves. Though we cannot sense or we cannot feel, we cannot hear these higher frequency sound waves, some insects, some nocturnal animals, birds can feel and sense these ultrasonic waves. And especially insects use these ultrasonic waves to communicate with each other. For example, a grasshopper can sense, produce and feel ultrasonic wave up to 40,000 Hz. Cats, rats and dogs can produce and hear up to 30,000 Hz. And bats have a very special capability or ability of producing and hearing sound frequencies up to 1 lakh Hz with the help of their extremely delicate inner ears. These nocturnal animals, that means they are very active at night, depend much more on their hearing abilities than on their eyes. At nights, they produce ultrasonic waves when they move from one place to another. These ultrasonic waves fall on some obstacle and reflect back to each other. So with the help of their ears, they sense the obstacles found on their path. So these ultrasonic waves help them in communicating or moving from one place to another. Properties of ultrasonic waves. There are few properties common to normal sound waves. Apart from that, they are highly energetic and they can travel through a very longer distance. They produce heating effect when they fall on some objects. As an ordinary sound, they are reflected, refracted and absorbed. When these ultrasonic sound waves passed through certain liquids, they produce stationary wave pattern. Since their frequency is very high and their wavelength is very small, and these ultrasonic waves cannot travel through a vacuum. So as an ordinary sound wave cannot travel through vacuum, ultrasonic waves also cannot travel through vacuum. What are the methods of producing ultrasonic waves? There are three chief methods of producing ultrasonic wave. The first one is a Galton whistle method, which is a very older technique. We cannot produce a higher frequency ultrasonic waves using this method. The other two modern techniques are magnetostriction method and piezoelectric method. Applications of ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves find greater applications in various fields. let it be a medical industry or a research industry, or for an economical purpose, ultrasonic waves find a very great application. The firstly in sonar, sound navigation and ranging. So we all know the sonar is a technique used to find the depth of the sea. Apart from finding the depth of the sea, we can use ultrasonic waves to detect any enemy ships, presence of an icebergs, and if there is any sunken ship. This is also helpful in finding the places where the fishes are available in clusters. So what is the technique employed here is the ultrasonic waves are sent from an device to the bottom of the sea. So the time sent is also noted along. So the time taken for the ultrasonic waves to reach the depth of the bottom and to get reflected is measured. So using the formula D is equal to Vt by 2, they are very easily found. So this method is also suitable to detect the presence and depth of submarines, rocks, etc. from the surface of seawater. So this is a very famous one, sonography. Ultrasound imaging is used in scanning the babies during pregnancy. Ultrasonic drills are used to bore holes in steel and other metals or their alloys. Ultrasonic waves can be used to detect cracks or discontinuity in metal structures. Alloys of different compositions are obtained by subjecting the constituents to an ultrasonic beams. Ultrasonic waves are used for directional signaling. You can solder metals using this ultrasonic wave. Since they produce heating effect when they fall on certain metal, this property can be employed for soldering metals. Dust particles, dirt, and stain in cloths are quickly removed using ultrasonic waves with the least damage to cloths. This technique is called as an ultrasonic washing machine. For cleaning delicate parts in watch, we can use this ultrasonic cleaning machines. So in physiotherapy, they are used to cure rheumatic pains and pains in arthritis. And to restore the contracted fingers in leprosy, we can use ultrasonic waves. And high energy ultrasonic waves can easily break gallstones and kidney stones formed in the kidney into very, very smaller pieces, which can be easily removed through urinal paths. And they are helpful in finding the adulteration of food and oil. And also to determine the molecular structure of a substance, we can use these ultrasonic waves. They are highly helpful in sterilizing water and milk to increase their shelf life. And in dentistry, it is used to extract broken teeth